Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for the 30 subscribers, thanks for tuning in. My channel is all about lifestyle, beauty, DIYs and fashion haul. And today we have only focusing on the eye, so let's go get started. So guys, I'm using this moisturizer from Forever Clear Cosmetics. I've no moisturizer, I'm using it to moisturize. That's what I use to moisturize every day. Yeah, so after that I'll be using the baby face primer. This is not by Maybelline, this is from some company, Korean company I think, but it's actually good. And pardon my voice please, I'm having cold, so done moisturizing, and I'll be doing my first eye off camera. Oh, I'm back already. So I'll be diving right quick into the palette. This palette is very affordable. I don't remember where I got it from, but it's very affordable and pigmented, guys. So yeah, I'm using the black. I just pointed. I like talking a lot, so I missed that part. I'm using the black from that palette, and you can see that I'm packing it into my eyelid. I'm not blending it out. Then I'll use the brown to blend the edges to smoke it out. You understand? Because it is black, and you should be careful on how you use it. The more you how should I say, blend it out, it's going to look messy. So you have to pack it into your eyelid. And I'm using that shimmer, yes, to make my eyelid pop, but it didn't even pop. It's better I didn't put it on, but the damage has already been done, so we move on. I'm using this new eyeliner. It's used to wing out eyeliners, and it's a good distance to a glue too at the same time, a lash glue. So I'm not winging out, I'm just using it as my lash glue because I'm lazy. I'm feeling lazy to go for my lash glue, so I'm using this, and I'm testing it too. It's not yeah. But guys, it was quite easy to put on the lashes, I'm not gonna lie. It was very easy. I didn't have hard time like all my lash glues. Yeah, so we're done with the eye, and I'll be doing my face off camera, and I'll be back. Yeah guys, I'm back. Sorry if I didn't show the full tutorial. I wanted to show only the eye tutorial. I don't want the video to be very long. So how about you just subscribe and join the gang. Let's keep growing, and I'll see you in my next video.